Hey everyone, welcome back to FITFLex, where we share tips, tricks, and challenges to help you stay fit and healthy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a 30-day jumping rope challenge and how it can transform your body. Jumping rope is a great cardiovascular exercise that can help you improve your stamina, burn calories, and build muscle. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the 30-day challenge, let's talk about some of the benefits of jumping rope. First and foremost, jumping rope is a great cardio exercise that can help you burn calories and lose weight. In fact, just 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn as many calories as 30 minutes of jogging. Additionally, jumping rope can help improve your coordination, balance, and agility. It also helps to build endurance and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Lastly, jumping rope can also help build muscle in your legs, glutes, and core. Now let's talk about how to do the 30-day challenge. The challenge is simple: jump rope for 10 minutes a day for 30 days straight. That's it. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Get a jump rope. The first step is to get a jump rope. You can use any type of jump rope you like, but I recommend using a high-quality jump rope that's appropriate for your skill level. If you're a beginner, consider using a lighter jump rope that's easier to handle. If you're more experienced, you can use a heavier rope for a more intense workout. Step 2. Warm up before you start jumping rope. It's important to warm up your body. You can do some light stretching or a few minutes of cardio to get your heart rate up. Step 3. Start jumping once you're warmed up. It's time to start jumping rope. Aim to jump continuously for 10 minutes, taking breaks only when necessary. If you're a beginner, start with a basic jump, where you jump with both feet at the same time. As you get more comfortable, you can try different types of jumps, such as single leg jumps or double under. Step 4. Cool down after you've finished jumping rope. Take a few minutes to cool down. You can do some light stretching or a few minutes of yoga to help your body recover. Step 5. Repeat for 30 days. The goal of the challenge is to jump rope for 10 minutes a day for 30 days straight. Try to make it a part of your daily routine, whether that means jumping rope before breakfast, during your lunch break, or before bed. To help you succeed with the 30-day challenge, here are some tips to keep in mind. Start slowly. If you're new to jumping rope, start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Stay consistent. The key to this challenge is to jump rope every day for 30 days. Try to make it a part of your daily routine, whether that means jumping rope before breakfast, during your lunch break, or before bed. Mix it up. To keep things interesting, try mixing up your jump rope routine. You can try different types of jumps, such as single leg jumps or double under, or you can try jumping to music. Take breaks. If you're feeling fatigued, it's okay to take a break and rest for a few seconds before starting again. The goal is to jump for 10 minutes, but it's more important to listen to your body and take breaks when you need to. Stay hydrated. Jumping rope can be a sweaty activity, so it's important to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Use proper form. To avoid injury and get the most out of your workout, make sure to use proper form when jumping rope. Keep your elbows close to your sides and use your wrists to spin the rope. So, what can you expect from this 30-day challenge? Here are some potential results. Improved stamina. After 30 days of jumping rope, you should notice an improvement in your stamina and endurance. Weight loss. Jumping rope is a great way to burn calories and lose weight. If you combine the 30-day challenge with a healthy diet, you may see some weight loss. Muscle building. Jumping rope can help build muscle in your legs, glutes, and core. After 30 days of consistent jumping, you may notice increased muscle tone in these areas. Improved coordination and balance. Jumping rope requires coordination and balance, so after 30 days of jumping, you may notice an improvement in these areas. Improved cardiovascular health. Jumping rope is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health and increase your heart rate. Better endurance. After 30 days of consistent jumping, you may notice that you have better endurance and can handle longer periods of exercise. Increased strength. Jumping rope can help to build strength in your legs, arms, and core muscles. Improved balance and coordination. Jumping rope requires balance and coordination, so regular practice may help improve these skills. Reduce stress. Exercise, in general, can help to reduce stress levels, and jumping rope is no exception. Improved bone density. Jumping rope is a weight-bearing exercise that can help to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Improved agility. Regular practice of jumping rope can improve your agility and quickness. Increased energy levels. Exercise can help to boost energy levels, and regular practice of jumping rope can contribute to this effect. Improved mood. Exercise has been shown to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression, and regular practice of jumping rope may have a similar effect. So there you have it, the 30-day jumping rope challenge and how it can transform your body. Remember to start slowly, stay consistent, and listen to your body. And don't forget to have fun. Jumping rope can be a fun and rewarding way to stay fit and healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and challenges.